We're putting in a drainage system. This is a house up on the hill. Yes, I said a house up on the hill. Look how high we are. So it doesn't matter if you're the guy up on the hill or the guy halfway down or the guy at the bottom. There's water that needs to be managed. So the roof runoff, I'm okay with this. They got 3 of those. This is a large house, large roof. But here's what happens when something starts and you don't get to it in time. It's like a domino effect. So right here, where the driveway is coming apart, water found a hole. It's probably the size of a thread. That's all it needs. And then it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Now I'm a size 12. Look at that. Okay, so let me show you how fast. Here's some more roof runoff, which is fine. That's great. Use this driveway like a luge. Get it the heck out of here. But now, this retaining wall's failing. You see all the backfill? Look at that. Water just coming out from behind this retaining wall. Now, if they used drainage fabric, which I highly doubt because drainage fabric, and especially if it was a good 8-ounce fabric like we preach, this would have never happened. And there's not good aggregate behind this wall. What the water is flushing out is crushed concrete and dirt. They didn't backfill with a really good adequate backfill. It's too small. Needed something about 3 inches. Something 3 inches and an 8-ounce fabric behind this wall to have saved this wall. Now, because there's so much moisture, you know, and you can see there's a lot of moisture because there's moss, a fern. You see what it's doing? During our freeze and thaw cycles, it's shaling this beautiful rock, this natural stone. So this whole thing just goes from bad to worse in no time. And this is going to be a big money project right there for somebody. I used to do them, but I don't want nothing to do with this. But in any case, I just wanted to share that with everybody. I don't care if you're the house on the hill. You want to know something? If you want to build a house on the hill, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to trade your neighbor's runoff water that you're not going to get for about $200,000 in retaining walls, because every house that's at the top of a hill has so much retaining wall material, it's unbelievable. So when you're looking up at your neighbor, the house on the hill, he's got water trouble too, and he's got a lot of money to retain the foundation of that structure that's built up on a hill. All right, everybody. Until that next video.